Hello everyone. Lately I've been working on subtraction with the kids, and I have two ways that I want to show you. There's one way that I've always used, which I thought everybody used everywhere, but not too long ago I happened upon a creator on one of these platforms who did it a different way that made so much sense. Okay, this is the way that we've always done it. 5 minus 9. We always say, or we always used to say, it can't, right? So what do? We borrow. We put a 1 here. If we borrow a 1 here, that means we have to add a 1 over here. So if we borrow this, we have to add a 1 there. And so the answer becomes 15 minus 9. 9 minus 1, 8. So our answer is 86. Okay? That's how we've always done it. And somehow it works. It makes sense. But then I found a creator who said you should do it like this. 5 minus 9, it can't. 5 is smaller, and you can't take 9 out of 5. So what do? You borrow, but they borrow in a different way. So we borrow 1 over here, and then we borrow from the 9. And when we borrow from the 9, we say minus 1. So we're taking 10 from 90 and putting it here to make this 15. And so what happens is this 9 changes to an 8. Okay? So 15 minus 9 is 6. And 8 minus nothing, because there's nothing here, is... Voila! Doesn't this make so much sense to borrow from the tens in the same number? Borrowing from the tens in the same number so that you're using the same number to come up with your answer. Okay, let's try this out with hundreds. Let's try this out with hundreds. Okay, we have 382 minus 69. All right, let's give this a shot. 2 minus 9, it can't. Okay, let me start with the old way. 2 minus 9, it can't, so we borrow. When we borrow here, we change this one and we say plus 1. So this becomes 7, okay?